start my back testing right now. We starting. I starting this trade, this account 5,000 now. Right now, this account value is 4,495 only. You think it? There is a lot of losses. Yeah, this is right because we have some experiments. Right now, we show the analytics. We check it. Now, market is the uptrend. You check it in 1 hour time frame. This is good. Can I check big more time frame? Because let's look market sideways. Okay, let's see. We have two options there. When market comes this level, break that level, there is almost this point. This shown is creating some chaos right now. This and this is not a perfect. The I will. I delete it. This one is not working. Then I went it. Okay. And the next one is I think working proper way is called this one. Okay. This is the perfect one. But there is major concern. What is your thought right now? The market looking. Market is a trend. They cannot break this level. This level is up. Then market comes because I tell you something. I see so something. This time I'm not taking a trade this level because market go down this level. So there is the high value chance. Since market goes up. Now our analytics is done. Let's start it. Uh, let's start. This is our trade. We know when it's Tuesday, we always take the days because we are not trading Sunday and Saturday and Sunday. This is my personal rule. I don't know why, but I do this. Okay, it's 5 minutes. What we do right now? We have no plan to buy, but we have a target to buy it because we look this time. There is the more liquidity. Then market goes up is possibility market going coming up this level again and they go just wait and watch. It's creating good chaos. Good. You right now you are saying you have an idea market come up. So why are you not selling there? Because you sell this point, you have a $20. But no. When market goes up, there is not shown. It's a sudden shut up and it takes some time. That's the reason. You need to wait. Patience is the best key in the trading. I'm just telling you because we have not a passion. I do a real market trade and I do some mistakes. Okay, right now they create some chaos. Okay, now let's go. We take tier one trade. Uh, Live market. No, this area. 1897. My stop loss is simple. 10 points, right? Okay. Now we are ready to buy in 97. My stop loss is similar 1887. Target is confirm 1950. Risk is 20. Software trading Saka is automatic set the lot. This is the most difficult part of this trading because when you do in the live trade, you can take the losses. 60. Okay, power this phone. I think this is wrong. I'm saying this is wrong because that feeling. I take trade there. It's going not well. Uh, Okay, let's check down. Yeah, this is wrong. I do trade there, almost there. 16, 19, 72, no, 16. Okay, now it's done. Let's check what's going on. There is some point. Good. When the market is fall, this is fall direct in my stop loss. There is no reason his goes up because I'm saying that they goes, but there is no reason he goes. Okay, we fall. We just wait and watch because we have nothing to do. $15, $18, $20, 24, 20, 13, 9, -2. I think it's gone. Almost. Oh my god. There's no reason the market comes again. 13 -6 -3 -9 2 0. You show the market, it's almost slowing down his fall. What the fuck? You are saying what the fuck, bro? What are you doing right now? Ah, this trade is gone. 100% confirmed. But we are wait. This is called patience. When you have a market, is showing good downtrend and the fall. Yeah, that is the perfection. Oh, market. Wow, this is good. How much capacity the market do right now? Do you think they goes up? Just wait and watch. Yeah, it's around 8:30. We just waiting and watch. And my old version, I sell there again. This is very good reason, you know. Look, half and twos. This is very good reason. Why are you not buying there? Look, I'm ready to buy. Again? Yeah, of course. Live trade. I think, yeah, I take live trade. No, I'm not taking live trade. 1894, my stop loss is there. 84, 86. Open position, limited. And you say that you only take 93, 94 is my order, but I think something and then can I do 85? Yeah, of course. And take profit like 1950. This is my last chance because there is something happen. Then I see that the reason I will go to buy this market. Okay, when I'm wrong, this is definitely goes down. What you think it? What is my intuition? Look, I show that this is happening again and again. They take liquidity, they come up again and shut up. There is more liquidity up there. That's the reason I will buy. You don't understand? This is the zone. There is the market come and goes. But this zone is happy, happy, happy. But we have analytics to market goes up. That is good reason this market to buying. Now our trade is running and it's doing great. I'm not saying nothing just now because it's doing great. Look, we already predict this future. No, we know this is happening because market is moving upward, bro. You say, can it break it the market? When it's break, this is simple. My account goes 450 plus. Right now we have a ratio 1 ratio 2. So I'm happy right now because anytime they take my stop loss. Again, market is goes down, up, there is nothing to happen again. And 52, 54, 56, 48. You're learning. This is learning process. Mm, Just wait and watch. Just wait and watch. We have nothing to do. Somebody said that why are you not training your stop loss? Because we have a patience. You right now you think it what's going on. You take this trade in around 850. Can you take another trade there? No. Because there is falling point. Look, this point market goes almost half. That the reason market goes this point is coming almost my entry point. Then I trade my trail, my stop loss. It's very difficult to reason कि market comes my take my stop loss and goes up. Now it almost we take trade almost there. Yeah. And it's take 550. Wow, you saw this. I see. 16, 17, only 1 point. Only 1 point. Now my target is done. 4535. There is nothing happen in my life. You said it. Our target is done. What we do next? Just wait. Just wait. Mhm. Market goes up. Yeah, wanna you can try to buy the market. No, no, I'm not going to buy this time. Why not? They create this chaos. Okay, we see it. There is a more liquidity area. There is around 7, 8. This is possible market goes up, but I cannot take another trade. There is some reason because I'm only taking one trade in 1 day. Yeah, of course. Can I watch every day all market? No, this is not a possible key you watching all days and take a trade. You just have an idea. You have a plan. Do something. Right now market is falling, falling. Good. Wow. 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 This is the area we are going to buy. 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 Can I buy her? Buy her? Check your stop losses. 20, 50, 60. Now let's go. Because tomorrow is Saturday, there is office in the market is not full. This is my zone. My zone is my zone. We have not another zone. Oh, sorry, I forgot this market. Just now I'm taking to the real market trade. Okay, can I buy another trade there? Because I already lost my one share. Now just wait and watch. They goes up. It's the final position. That there is a reason they goes up, but they fall again. I'm betting to fall this level, minimum this level. there is the chances they let's go, let's go, go. But that reason the market come for look this point. Then we are ready to buy. Yeah, of course. But there is some points we can also reset the market. Okay. Now it's coming up. This is good. Can I buy here? I think yes, but I need some confirmation. She's going up again. This is good. Good. Oh my god, what's going? Why are they falling? It's for good. Around 750. I'm going to buy what we are for because I need some characteristics. This time I'm going to sell this market. Wait, this is not my fault because they level already falls. Our market is come there, goes up, there it will stop. Okay, we take almost small losses. 1891. We take live trade or do something. What is this? When I take live trade, there is the almost high possibility we lose. But we take this trade. Possibility is lose. You said it. Try through it. Right. I think we enter wrong. Read value. Forget. Okay. We take stop loss here. 33, 60. 1 ratio 1. No, sorry, 1 ratio 1. Good fall, good buying, good fall, good buying.